What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Sassy Going Eat. I told you I was going to have a two for the night, and here's the second video. I'm going to show you how to do these spicy, sweet chicken wings and sweet potato waffles. Tonight, we're just going to focus on the chicken. Here is my take on chicken and waffles. You put in your seasoning mix, and what you want to do is mix it into your chicken. And I'm going to have all the ingredients of what I use in my seasoning in the description box below. So make sure that you read it in order to see what I added. So after that, we're going to make our batter that you are going to dip in before you dredge it in flour and before you fry it. So that's what I am doing now. I am mixing up the batter. Now that I've made my batter, I'm going to take my chicken. I'm going to dip it in the batter, then put it in the bag and dredge it up in the flour. And then I'm going to fry my chicken. And this is quarantine, so we have to make things stretch. So best believe I have reused some grease that I have used another time. All you have to do is strain the grease because, like I said, we have to save money. So that's what you're going to see me doing next, is shaking up the chicken and frying it. And also maybe a little rendition of I Believe I Can Fly.
What? Yes. I can.
If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. As you can see, I like to have fun with my children and enjoy myself while cooking. So back to the video, we're going to take it and we're going to put it in a paper towel to drain the grease off, and then toss it in our sauce. It is basically some hot sauce that I got from the Dollar Tree and some Sweet Baby Ray's. I warmed it up for a minute and then I tossed it. Then after that, that is what I got for this spicy sweet chicken wings on top of sweet potato waffles. As I say, tomorrow the video will be up with the instructions for the waffles. So until next time, subscribe, share, like, comment, and enjoy. I will talk to you guys later. Sassy out.
Oh yeah.